Well, for both Rosa and I mean, fitness is something that's really important for. Okay, and so the first time she asked me to attend one of these classes at Gold's Gym in Lokhandwala, uh, I mean, the top spin session, which is the particular version that they do here. I mean, I was absolutely completely exhausted. I mean, and I think you burn more calories, and it leads to more fitness than running ever could. So I had a tremendous time. And I mean, some of these people are incredibly fit and very competitive. And I think it's a wonderful atmosphere, the way they do things in. Um, and basically, I came here because she asked me to. And I wanted to come and see and, try and support it in whatever way that I could.
Whose fitness spirits are higher, yours or hers?
Uh, well, she's very fit. I'm a little bit more lazy, I think.
Did you even think of like participating along with us rather than just
No, I don't think I would have the guts to participate in something like this. It's really very intense. Well, I hope so. That was the idea. I was told to come, so I want. Yeah,
So next minute then do we see you and Rosa hiking together?
I'm telling you, I don't think I can do it. No, I don't think I would do it either.
When it comes to fitness, what's your personal fitness style of doing things? How to keep yourself fit?
Well, I think a certain amount of cardio is very important. I think a certain amount of cardio is very important. Running or spinning or any kind of cardiovascular exercise. Swimming is wonderful for about an hour, and then about a half an hour of weights or weight resistance training. That's normally what I do, about an hour and a half a day.
Say if you consider one of the most fitness persons now, so don't you think that by saying that you don't want to participate, you're actually a bit degrading yourself because people actually have the expectation now that
Well, I'm
they're
constantly
doing-
degrading myself. So that's nothing new.
So is it like Rosa is absolutely fit? So what is it that both of you have common in fitness regimes? Do you both follow some kind of a common routine?
Um, yeah, sort of. Like I said, cardio and weights. Except those are boxes also, which I should get into because that's tremendous exercise as well. I learned quite a lot.
Diet plan?
Diet plans? Oh yeah, constantly. Um, yeah, less pasta.
Does the other partner like her motivate you to get even fit?
Yes, very much so. Yeah, absolutely. It's like company is also sometimes really important, and it feels good if you can compete slightly also with your partner in terms of wanting to look good and fit. Of course, my main motivation is my job, but yeah.
So do you think sports like tournaments like Spinathon, the kind that we have today,
I think it's fantastic that there's so many people who came out here, and I think it's important to support something like that. I mean, I basically came like I told you why I was here. I was here for one person, but I'm happy that I could support the organizers for Topspin also. I mean, I'm not connected to them in any way except people I've seen in the same gym that I work out with, and I think it's a wonderful sport, and Topspin totally rocks.
now that winning matters to you?
Huh?
In any sport, does winning matters?
Well, winning does matter, but I think it matters less to me than to some kind of special attitude you need to compete in an environment like this, where you're really only the person who wants it the most will win because you're basically competing against yourself and pushing yourself to the highest. And it's very easy after a certain point to say that's enough, but there are some people who will, and if you can do that in a sport or in the gym, you'll find you'll start doing that in your life. And that's the whole thing actually behind working out and fitness. As Arnold Schwarzenegger also says, that if you can push yourself beyond a point, you'll find you'll push yourself personally also. So I think it's very important.
Rosa, the star today, was the attraction,
Yeah.
and you were here to cheer her on.
Yes, ma'am.
So are we like getting Rosa to talk to us?
I, you know, you have to ask her that. I'm nobody to speak on her behalf.
सिर्फ अगर रोज़ा को अगर हम रोज़ा के लिए आप चेहरे बनाए परिवार के अलावा जो बाकी के पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं जिन आपको देख के जिनको ज़्यादा उत्साह मिला उनके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं आपने बाकी कई लोगों को भी देखा साथ साथ
Amazing. There's some very fit people. There's some very fit people doing some incredible things. And you know,
आपने बाकी आज
no, I saw a lot of contestants today doing remarkably. I mean, you know, there were some really young people, there were some slightly older people, and really, really fit. And I think, you know, things like this should be encouraged, because what could be more beautiful than feeling great and being fit, you know? This is a venue that's not
Okay,
normally
there's-
associated so much with,
There's
with
one
fitness.
question from my side. That
What is your fitness
Yeah.
tip?
if you would have been participating, what title you would have been taking?
Um,
The fastest legs?
I think
the
fastest
sprinter?
legs and the most stylish.
Oh.
Certainly.
And what would you want to give Rosa? Title.
I think again the same. I don't know. She says that she's. Let's see. You know, the way we've been brought up, we don't really praise our own people so much.
How often
We leave it to you.
How often do you both share the fitness tip? Because obviously the partner always helps. So what are the suggestions? What is going out between you two?
Well, she's often telling me not to pump muscle, that it looks ugly, and that one should be leaner and meaner and fitter, and more like, you know, lean and where you can see every muscle how it works, like completely ripped, as opposed to bulky, and that's her advice usually, which is
Any advice to
probably good as well. No, I know better than to give her advice.
आप क्या fitness tips देना चाहेंगे?
Just an hour a day is so helpful and useful, and you feel good, and it's for your mind and your body. But like I said before, if you can push yourself in the gym, you'll find that, you know, maybe you can push yourself in life also.
Guys, are we through?
Okay.
Thank you.